to have it like this. That is having 3, having 2. I put all the having together. Okay, having 2, owing 4 all over 6. Are you following? Under normal comprehensive work. Okay, so now this having 3, having 2, having 5 altogether. That will now be 5, having 5, having 5, owing 4 over 6. So we're going to bring it down. So this means 5 minus 4. That will give us what? 1. Then over what? 6. So the entire answer of this very question here is 1 over 6. Thank you. As we go fully for today's business. God bless you. All right. I want to present you to the Day6 program. Mainly, this is catastrophe in the hostel. That is the topic of today, and we want to look at really what happened in the hostel. Okay, I want to look at what really happened in the hostel, and I must assure you that today will open your eye little, because we designed this program, especially this very story, to help the students that are mathematically challenged to handle equation, especially fractional equation. You see, the way I started big, I didn't start with small equation. Just decided to present something, because if we are giving them this handle this very bigger one, so the other one wouldn't be a problem again. Are you following? So catastrophe or conflagration in the hostel. I will tell you what happened in the hostel, and while we are discussing that, you discover that mathematics is taking care of himself. This thing, the question here will be handling, you see it dying, because we don't understand that mathematics is, it talks about happenings. It's all about happenings. What is happening? But we don't understand what is explaining expressions. You see steps of mathematics, because people are asking questions. Why isn't that? How do you get all this in step 1 before you get to step 2, get to step 3? One question could cover a page and even above that. So it's as a result of this understanding. So that is why we designed this program, especially this very topic, this way. So when we hear catastrophe in the hostel, conflagration in the hostel, conflagration had to do with issue of incident that had to do with fire. Is an incident, it's a catastrophe, but it is actually set on fire incidents. Okay, so that's conflagration. But catastrophe is just the general name of maybe natural phenomenon, something that happens, so destructive incidents, something like that. Okay, so we're going to see what happened in the hostel. So, and the story has it that what you are seeing here, like I will define in mesh maths, that fraction is a story building type of number. Okay, it's a story building kind of number. We are told that a man had a plot of land, and so inside the plot of land, this is a plot of land, for instance. This is a plot of land, for instance. So this man decided to build. I'm viewing from the top now. Okay, those are view. So the man decided to build a hostel inside. I decided to put another hostel here. But the man decided to separate the hostel with a fence. I don't know the reason. He decided to separate the two hostels with a fence. So don't forget, this is a hostel, this is another hostel, and he separated it. But this separation was so close, this fence. So this sign of equality, we call sign of equality, is what? Is the fence. That's why you to separate them. Look at this is the building here. This is another building. This is a building. This is the fence. The sign of equality stand